we'll learn the general form of numbers. You will remember that every digit in the number has its own place. Can you tell at which place are 3 and 5 in the number 35? In this number, 3 is at the tens place and 5 is at the units place. We can write this number as 10 into 3 plus 1 into 5. Will you be able to write the number 259 like this? Try it. Absolutely correct. We will write this as 100 into 2 plus 10 into 5 plus 1 into 9. Now suppose we have taken a number AB, which has the digits A and B. Remember that AB does not mean A into B. Can you write it in this way? Try it. We will write this as 10 into A plus 1 into B. We call this form of the number AB the usual form of the number, and this form is called the generalized form of the number. Now can you guess how to write the number ABC, which has the digits A, B and C in its general form? Think for a while. Absolutely correct. Here, A is the digit in the hundreds place, B in the tens place, and C is in the units place. So, we will write ABC in its general form as 100 into A plus 10 into B plus 1 into C. In this way, we can write any number, CBA, in its general form as 100 into C plus 10 into B plus 1 into A. Here, by making a point like this, we show that there can be digits to the left of C. Now look at these digits. Can you make a number from these digits? Think for a while. We can make 3-digit numbers using these digits without repeating. PQR, PRQ, QPR, QRP, RPQ, RQP in this way. Suppose these digits are such that P is greater than R, greater than Q. Then what will be the largest number? Since P is the largest digit, it must be in the hundreds place. R is larger than the remaining Q, and so it must be in the tens place, and the remaining digit Q must be in the units place. In this way, PRQ will be the largest number made up of the digits PRQ. Can you guess how to write this number in its general form? It will be written as 100 into P plus 10 into R plus 1 into Q. Suppose we interchange the positions of R and P. What will be the general form of the number RPQ thus obtained? Think for a while. We can write its general form in this way: 100 into R plus 10 into P plus 1 into Q. To find the difference between these two numbers, we will subtract the smaller number RPQ from the larger number PRQ. We can write PRQ minus RPQ like this. Thus, we get a result 90P minus 90R, that is 90 P minus R in brackets. In this way, if the digit in the hundreds and the tens place in a number are interchanged, the difference in the value of the number will be 90 P minus R in brackets. We can use it as a formula. For example, if we want to find out what will be the difference between 256 and the number obtained by interchanging the digits 2 and 5 of 256, we can find it by 90 in brackets 5 minus 2, which will be 90 into 3, which is equal to 270. In the same way, you can tell if the digit in the hundreds place and units place changed mutually, then how much difference will be there in the value of the number. Try it yourself. Now suppose this is the general form of a number where D, E, F, G are digits. Will you be able to find the number using its general form? Try it. Let me tell you. We see that here the digits g is multiplied by 1000. So g must be in the place of 1000. Similarly, f is multiplied by 100. So f will definitely be a digit in the place of 100. Similarly, 10 into e tells us that e is at the tens place, and 1 into d tells us that d is in the ones place. This way, the number will be GFED. Now you find out what will be the number shown in the general form. 10,000 into j plus 100 into t plus 10 into k. So today, we learned the general form of numbers. The number ACKE has digits A, C, K and E. Express this number in the general form. In this number, A is in the place of 1000, C in the place of 100, K in the place of 10, and E is in the place of units. Therefore, this number can be written in its general form as 1000 into A plus 100 into C plus 10 into K plus 1 into E. Example 2. Express 9PR1 in general form. Here, we see that 9 is in the place of 1000, P is in the place of 100, R is in the place of tens, and 1 in the place of units. Therefore, this number can be written in general form as 1000 into 9 plus 100 into P plus 10 into R plus 1 into 1. Example 3. The digits P, Q, S, and K written in the general form are shown below. Find out what will be the usual form of this number. Stop the video and try first. Here, 10 into P shows that P is in the tens place. Similarly, 100 into Q shows that Q is in the 100 place. Similarly, 1 into S shows that S is in the units place. And 10,000 into K shows that K is in the place of 10,000. There is no digit in the place of 1000. So here, we will write the placeholder 0. Now, we can say that the usual form of this number is K0QPS. Example 4. The number PQ minus QP has P and Q digits and P is greater than Q. Is this number divisible by 3? Just think about how we can solve this. Think for a while. You are absolutely correct. We can solve this by using the general form. We can write PQ as 10 into P plus 1 into Q, that is, 10P plus Q. Similarly, QP can be written as 10 into Q plus 1 into P, that is, 10Q plus P. In this way, we can write PQ minus QP is equal to 10P plus Q minus 10Q plus P. This way, PQ minus QP is equal to 10P plus Q minus 10Q minus P, which is equal to 10P minus P plus Q minus 10Q, which is equal to 9P minus 9Q, which is equal to 9P minus Q in brackets. Since this number, P minus Q, is multiplied by 9, we can say that this number is a multiple of 9. That is, 9 is a factor of PQ minus QP. That is, PQ minus QP is divisible by 9. And since 3 is a factor of 9, this number will also be divisible by 3. Now solve the given questions yourself. First question, express the following in general form. Second question, express the number 55AUT in general form. Third question, are numbers ST plus DS divisible by number 11? So today, we saw some examples related to the general form of numbers.